Hey guys, I want to talk to y'all about GFIs. I just had to change one out on my septic tank pump. This is the old one. If you'll look on here, it has load and line. Flip it. Line and load. So the line is for the power coming in, and load is for the power going out. So you got to keep in mind where your power is coming in and where it's going out. If you just have one set of wires to hook up, you're just going to put it on the line. But it's just like a normal outlet. You know, you'll hook your black wire, your hot wire, to the brass screw. You'll hook the white neutral wire to the silver screw, and you got a ground screw on the bottom. There it is. You'll hook it there. But on a GFI, when you first put power into it, it will not work until you hit this reset button right here. And if you hook it up backwards, it won't work either. And if you heard that click and it locks in, then you're probably good to go. If it doesn't, then you've got a problem probably with your wiring, or the GFI is bad. You probably can't see it, but you'll have a green light right here. I can't film it without the light on. But you'll have a green light show up right here that it's running, that it's okay. If it's flashing red, then either the GFI is bad or your wiring is bad. But that's my tip for y'all today on GFIs.